Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today I have the 2020 CLA 35. I'm going to show you guys all the exterior features of this car. Take a look at the interior, listen to the sound from the engine. Now if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for weekly Mercedes videos. Now let's give it a cold start. So this 2020 CLA 35 features a 2-liter inline-4 turbo engine with 302 horsepower with 295 pound-feet of torque, and it's a super nice car, and I call it the baby GT63. I'm going to open the sunroof so we can listen to the engine as I drive. Before we go anywhere, let me set up the ambient lighting. Go into comfort, colors, now we're talking. AMG Performance. You see a bunch of metrics for your dynamic select options, and these are your dynamic select options. Right now I'm on sport mode, sport plus, sport, comfort, individual mode. I'm gonna leave it on sport because I know you guys want to hear the sound from the engine. This is a vehicle data, which as you move the steering wheel allows you to look at the degrees of the turning. I'm gonna leave it on engine, and let's take it back for the quick review. The only difference is there is no AMG drive unit on the car. I'm gonna set it to Sport Plus. And right off the bat, it's just flying off. So it's a very responsive drive in terms of the shifting of the gears. It's very seamless. You really have enough thrust, enough power to push this car pretty strongly. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the metrics. So you have performance. You want to look at your performance, engine torque, engine oil temperature, and transmission oil temperature. I'm gonna put the engine and really engage the Sport Plus, and let's go. And it is really responsive. Alright, let's take a look at this CLA 35. I'm gonna give you guys a very brief tour of the interior. Now you have these very vibrant displays here, 10.25 inch on either side. I'm gonna turn off the engine and still engage the very vibrant displays, 10.25 inch. You have your phone menu, which allows you to connect up to 2 devices. You have navigation, you have radio, you have media, comfort, track pace, performance, pretty cool, allows you to look at your vehicle data as you drive. And I'm gonna leave this on Sport Plus. And within the performance menu, you have your vehicle metrics, your engine, which is your performance, engine torque, oil temperature and transmission, and consumption. Now let's go into the settings menu, which you can set the designs and displays. Right now it's on Super Sport. This is the classic look. This is the sport look. And this is my best look, the Super Sport look. Down here you have all your themes. You have very premium quality material on the inside. This upper dash feels like rubber up here. Then you have these turbine looking air vents, and through those you can see the ambient lighting flowing throughout the cabin. This is very good quality material here. It swivels in either direction of where you want to have the airflow. Down here you have your climate control systems. Again, good quality knobs down here, and these are like piano keys. You have NFC charging down here, USB-C, 2 cup holders, and then right here you have your center console, which provides you with the haptic feedback as you move through the different options, just like that. And I just love this AMG branding right here on the upper dash. The entire upper dash is leather wrapped with the red contrast stitching. You have Alcantara sort of material on these seats, and feels very good. You can take a look at those. See, it's a very vibrant color. Now the exterior color on this CLA 35 is the polar white exterior. It has the LED light package, which offers you these vibrant LED lights at the rear. Also a very magnificent looking rear diffuser, finished in black because of the AMG night package. You have these high gloss black elements, black tailpipes. You have AMG inscription on the left, CLA 35 on the right hand side. The trunk space, decent size trunk on here. There is no electronic trunk close. You have a spoiler on the rear. Take a look at the rims. These are the Mercedes AMG rims. Good looking rims on this car. Now the size on these tires is 235/40 R18. These are 18-inch rims. You do have frameless doors right here. You have a panoramic sunroof, chrome door handles. Let's come to the front. You have a turbo badge right here on the left hand side, and good looking LED, although these headlamps are not the multi-beam LED lamps. These are just LED high performance. If this was a multi-beam, you'd have 3 bulbs on the inside with the adaptive high beam assist. But they do have daytime running lights, and this is how they look. You have AMG power domes on the hood of the car, and a pretty neat CLA 35. Now let's go for a drive. It does offer you some pops as you drive through. Now let's go ahead into the light settings and change this to multicolor animation. Hopefully it's going to obey those. So overall, this CLA 35 is a very solid car, and I do have the spec sheet right here. This one is priced at $54,000, so it's a good deal. Usually these ones cost about $64,000. Now the reason I'm not opening these windows is this car just had a fresh set of tint, and the tint is still setting in, and a ton of details as well. So transmission is very smooth, the gears are very seamless. It's a great car, and I definitely recommend the CLA 35 if you're looking for the entry-level Mercedes. And I love the feel of this AMG Performance steering wheel. Pretty cool. So that is a very brief look at this 2020 CLA 35. I'm gonna set it back to comfort. Now, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to Mercedes Lounge. I create weekly Mercedes videos. I'm gonna start doing more of these night drive and daily drives, so make sure you stay tuned. Looking forward to presenting you the new 2021 models coming out. Inventory is very low because we have no cars at the dealership because of COVID-19, but make sure you come out and check out these new cars, and subscribe to this channel for weekly Mercedes videos.
Please repeat.
I'm gonna park it right here.
What can I do for you?
And we do have surround view camera system on this CLA 35, which is a very cool feature. Allows you to look at your surroundings via these AR type of cameras. Okay, that's a brief look of this brand new CLA 35. Again, make sure you hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video. And again, guys, I cannot say this enough. Thank you for the 19,000 of you who have subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate it. You make it possible for me to come out here and keep creating good content for you guys and help you find your dream car. Until next time, stay positive but test negative. Peace. My mask is in here. Always gotta have your mask.